viewers, welcome to Global News in this morning. I'm Laila Rashida
And I'm Nur Ali. Thank you for joining us. Today, we bring you three major stories from Indonesia and around the world. From a massive corruption case shaking the nation, to a tragic airport fire in Bangladesh, and finally a heartbreaking case of bullying that has shook Indonesia's academic world.
Begin with our first headline, the recent 13 trillion corruption case that has drawn national attention. The Indonesia Attorney General's office recently handed over 13 trillion, equivalent to more than 800 million US dollars, to the state treasury.
The money was seized from several large corporations involved in corruption cases related to crude palm oil export permits, also known as the CPO case.
The handover ceremony took place at the Attorney General's office in Jakarta, witnessed by President Prabowo Subianto. The President praised law enforcement effort and emphasized that recovered money will be used for public welfare.
He stated that 13 trillion could help renovate around 8,000 schools and fund development projects for fishermen village across Indonesia.
According to the Attorney General, the total loss in the case reached 17 trillion, meaning about 4 trillion still need to be recovered.
This case highlights Indonesia's ongoing fight against corruption, a crime that continues to undermine economic growth and public trust.
Indeed, Nur Aini, many hope that this case will set a strong precedent for corporate accountability and reinforce the message that no one is above the law.
And that's all for our first headline. Now let's move to international news.
Massive fire broke out on Tuesday evening at Hazrat Shahjalan International Airport in Dhaka, Bangladesh, causing panic among passengers and airport staff.
According to local authorities, the fire started in the departure terminal area where maintenance work was repeatedly taking place. Fortunately, there were no casualties and several people suffered from smoke inhalation.
Firefighters rushed to the camp and managed to bring the fire under control after nearly 2 hours of labor. Flights were temporarily suspended and later resumed after the situation was declared safe.
Videos circulating on social media showed thick black smoke rising from the terminal building as passengers hurried to evacuate.
The causes of this fire is still under investigation, but preliminary report suggests it may have been caused by an electrical short circuit.
Bangladesh officials have promised to improve airport safety measures to prevent similar incidents in the future.
This fire incident has raised a new concern about infrastructure safety and emergency readiness in one of South Asia Buses airport.
Absolutely, Rosa. Even though there were no fatalities, the event served as a serious reminder of how quickly accidents can happen in high-traffic public space.
Up to next, we turn back to Indonesia for a tragic story that has shaken the nation's education world.
The death of university student named Timothy from Udayana Universitas Bali has sparked national outrage after the report revealed he was a victim of severe bullying.
Bekerja setiap hari membuat hati murung. Namaku Timothy, asalku dari
According to police investigation, Timothy was repeatedly bullied by his senior during campus orientation and student activities. Tragically, the continuous abuse led him to take his own life earlier this month.
This has ignited when spirit called for universities and authorities to take stronger bullying and mental health neglect.
The family of the victim has demanded justice, urging the university to take full responsibility and ensure that similar cases never happen again.
Several students involved in the bullying have been questioned by the police, and the university has announced an internal investigation.
Education expert in Indonesia said this tragedy exposes how toxic campus culture and peer pressure can cause lasting psychological harm if left unchecked.
Many are now urging educational institutions to provide children mental health support, counseling service, and strict anti-bullying regulation.
This heartbreaking story reminds us that kindness, empathy, and respect are essential values, not only in school but in every part of society.
Absolutely, Rosa. No student should ever lose their life because of bullying or mistreatment. It's time for institutions to listen and take real action.
Today's headline reflects three different phases of human reality: corruption, disaster, and tragedy. But all remind us one of important thing: the need for justice, awareness, and compassion.
From recovering billions of rupees